Hi friends, welcome back to Lucky Sports and Techniques. I'm your Dilip. Today we're gonna learn how to hold the bat and how to lift the bat. Most of the beginners don't know how to hold the bat correctly. So let's learn how to hold the bat. Few people will hold the bat bottom of the handle and top of the handle. Even few people will give more gap between two hands while holding the handle. Lock their hands and few people will hold the bat tightly with stiff hands. Before beginning to the topic, if you are watching this video for the first time, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Now let's begin the topic. Firstly, ground the bat. For right hand batsman, left hand would be the top hand and right hand would be the bottom hand. For left hand batsman, right hand would be the top hand and left hand would be the bottom hand. So let's learn how a right hand batsman should hold the bat. Batsman should lift the bat with top hand and bottom hand should only be used for supporting. Let me show you how to hold the bat. I have lifted the bat with top hand and bat balance will be on top hand. While holding the bat with top hand, wrist should not bend and elbow should bend and elbow faces the bowler, and batsman should watch the ball above the shoulder and the shape would be like this. There is another way to hold the bat. The V's made by the thumb and index finger must be placed on the back of the bat. The V of bottom hand should be pointing down towards the middle line of the back of the bat. The V of top hand must be pointing down towards the joint of handle and bat. Like this. I will show you by marking lines. These are two lines for hold the bat, and the first one is for bottom hand and the second one is for top hand. So there is important things to remember. There should be a gap in grip of bottom hand, but top hand should close completely. There should not be more gap between top hand and bottom hand while holding the bat. A bit of space is okay. Now let's discuss the disadvantages of wrong handlings. If we give more gap between top hand and bottom hand, we won't get bat follow through and top hand wrist will get bent. So bat face will be open while playing the shots. Then ball will carry in the air for a long period. So avoid the more gap between both hands. Same applies while holding the both hands with either top of the handle or bottom of the handle. Sometimes top handling can be used for lofted shots, but it's not recommended for gentleman game. Now next steps will be explained by Nitin.
Hi friends, this is your Nitin. Now let's learn how batting stance will be. So friends, for stance, our two legs must be in straight line. So friends, the space between two legs should be equal to the length of the shoulders. In other words, both legs and shoulder should be parallel to each other. If you are not comfortable with your stance, we can increase or decrease the space as we feel comfortable. It should be little bit and knee should be slightly bent. See here. Now we will see where we have to tap our bat. Tapping of bat should be made very close to your back foot toe. It should not be far away from your back foot. See. Now we will see how would be the back lift. We should lift the bat close to our body, not far away from our body. and our bat toe should not be more open or closed. It always aim at the first slip. If you open your bat more, you will get bat umpire gap. From this gap, the ball will hit your stance. If you close your bat toe more, there is a chance to stuck your bat at back foot pad. So to avoid these problems, try to play with basics. If you play with basics, you can survive at crease for long period. So friends, points to remember: our two wrists should be faced parallel to these two lines, and less gap between two hands, and gap in grip of borderman. See here. Legs should be in straight line, and space between both legs should be equal to our shoulder, and knees must be slightly bent, and wrist should not be bent, elbow must bend, and elbow should show the bowler, and batsman should watch the ball over the shoulder. Now complete stance will be like this.